I want to show you how you can start finding new keywords to use inside of your business using search modifiers. And if you don't know what search modifiers are, they are special characters and commands that extend the capabilities of regular text search. Now we're using Insight Analyzer, and what this does is it goes out there and it pulls the people also ask questions, and it also can get the search volume, and it can group these keywords stuff together, and it also can create content using AI to answer these questions. But we're going to focus on the insight generator, and what this does is when you type in a key phrase, and then it's going to go back there to the auto suggest from these search engines, and it's going to pull those keywords from Google, Bing, Yahoo, and Amazon. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can start finding more keywords that you probably wouldn't have discovered yourself by using the insights generator. So what you do is you can just type in a certain phrase that in there, and then you got the sources over here, which when you click on them, you can use Google, Bing, YouTube, and Amazon. And then you can pick which country that you want to. So you can just pick whatever country that you want this data stuff to come from. You can also pick the language, and these are the search types over here. You can pick the search types over here. So you can pick questions, prepositions, comparisons, and alphabetical. And these are the modifiers that I was just speaking about just a while ago. So when you click on this, here are the modifiers here. And what it does is, so you see this asterisk after R right here? So it's going to put the keyword right there after that, and it's going to start collecting the keywords that Google suggests, or Bing, whatever search engine that you use, is going to start collecting those keywords and adding them to the system here. So, but you can you also have way more than what they're showing right here. These are just the short list right here. So it's only like 25 question 29 question modifiers right here, but you can expand that to the long list, and that's what I'm going to do for each of these, because I want to find out as much keywords as I can possible. So we're going to do the long list here. I'm going to click that one for the prepositions modifier. I'm going to click that one. We're going to do the long list one. She only has 7, now they got 50. Now this one has over 276 modifiers for questions. Wow, that is a lot. And then we're also going to do the comparison modifiers. It's only 5 right now, so we're going to do the long list one. We'll click now, it's 15. And you can't do it for the alphabetical one. Alright, so now that we got all of the modifiers in there, I want to show you guys what these modifiers are actually doing. So I'm just going to pick one of them here just to show you guys, and I'm gonna go through all of them so you can know exactly where these keywords and these questions, all these keywords are going to be coming from, right? These long tail keyword stuff. It's going to be coming from the auto suggest from whatever source that you use. So I'm using Google right now. It's going to be coming from Google, but it can come from whatever source that you want it to come from. If you want to come from YouTube, Amazon, or the Bing one, it can come from there also. So let's just pick one. I got tire repair in there, so I'm gonna see. Let's do can. So you see the asterisk right before can. It's gonna replace that with the keyword. And I'm gonna go over here to Google, and I'm gonna show you guys where all these keywords gonna start to come from. So let's jump over there, and let's put in. Let's do can, and let's go repair tire. Okay. So this is exactly what the software is going to do. It's going to come over here. It's going to type that in, and it's going to start getting all of these keywords right here. It's going to start collect all of these and go put them back into the system for us, right? So you can see now where they're coming from. So that is the question one. Now let's go back and go check out the rest of them. All right, the preposition modifier. This is coming after the keyword. So you see that the asterisk here is in front now. It's not behind it like the question modifier. So let's pick one of these. Let's something that might be related here that makes sense. Probably repair tire. Let's see if they got okay near. That's going to make sense. Let's go back over here to Google so you can see where this is going to make sense. So repair tire, and then you put near. So that's what it's basically going to do. And as you can see, these are the keywords that Google is suggesting, because these are the ones that people have been typing into the search engine. And it got repair tire near me. Now that is a good one, because we all know that if somebody is needing to repair their tire, putting near me is going to be a good search for them, because they're looking for a tire repair shop that's going to be near them. And then it also has the repair tire near sidewall. Okay, so a lot of people get punctures in their tire in the sidewall, and they want to see if somebody's going to be able to fix that. Makes sense. Repair tire near me, open now. So if you got a flat tire, of course, that you want a shop that's going to be open near me right now, because you got a flat tire. So all these make sense right here. So that's how that works. Let's go to the next one here. That was the preposition modifiers. So the comparison modifiers. So you got the asterisk back in the asterisk in the front here, and it got the VS or versus, right? So we're just going to do the asterisk VS, and remember that asterisk has to get replaced with your keyword. So we're going to do repair tire, and we're going to do the VS one. Let's see what it pops up with. So we got repair tire. Let's do VS. Okay, so we got tire repair versus replace. So they switch them around a little bit. They got the tire repair versus replace Reddit. I don't know exactly what that is, but okay. Then we got the tire repair versus plug. Okay, makes sense. Tire repair versus patch. Makes sense. Tire repair or replace. Okay, makes sense. You can kind of understand what they're trying to say here and trying to do here with these certain keywords right here. So all of those going to be placed into the system for us also. So we go back to the next one. It's the alphabetical modifier. So basically with this one, it's just going to put the letters of the alphabet after the keyword, and then it's going to go to the next one. Then it's going to go to the next one. It's going to go to the next one. Let me show you what it's going to do here. So let's go back over here to Google. So let's just go to put in a repair tire. Let's just do A. And now it's going to come up with a bunch of keywords right here. It's got repair tire at home now. And then it got repair tire at Costco, repair tire area, repair tire after using, fix a flat. So then we're going to go over here and just put in B. And then you can just, as you can see, it coming up with different keywords when I put in B. So it's got repair tire, bicycle, and repair tire boat. So repairing tire bike. So it's going, and then if you put in C, so you can see where it's getting all these keywords from. And this is how you're going to find these new keywords for your business, right? That you probably wouldn't have discovered unless you using this type of software method here. So let's go back over there. That's all of the modifiers right there. So that's what all of the modifiers are going to be doing, collecting these keywords for you. And you know, I just expanded them to the long list right here. So now you got a lot of modifiers. It's going to go through all of these modifiers, all of these, to find the most keywords that it can find for you. So let's just do okay on that. And now we're going to do the search. So now you know what the system is going to be doing, how it's going to be finding these keywords. Now let's just find some keywords here. Let's just hit generate right here. So I'm going to tap that generate, and we're going to let it go out there, and it's going to search for as many keywords as it can find there. And as you can see, it's using the modifier right here. And if I kind of let me see, you can see the modifier for are there any. That's another modifier. And it's also, you can see it's processing down here. So it's already done found 181 keywords right here. And it's only on 55 right there. And it's still got 367 to go right there. But I'm not going to let it run like that. I'm just going to go ahead and stop it right there, because that's enough keywords. That's over 300 keywords it just found in a few seconds, you know. So if you're running a business and you need to find more keywords to start writing content on, or even doing videos, then this is kind of tool that you want to have, so you can start finding these keywords. And it also can find the search volume. So when you come down here, you can just click on the search volume right here, and it has a couple of ways of how you can get the search volume for these keywords once you have found all the keywords that you want. Now you got the first one here is import search volume data, and when you click on that one, it gives you two options here. It has the search volume right here, and this is a free search keyword search volume tool, which allows you to paste up to 800 keywords at a time and get the search volume. Or you can just go to the Google Ads. So if you got a Google Ads account, then you can use this one as well. So this is another free keyword search data tool, which allows you to paste up to 2,500 keywords at a time right there. So you can use that one to get the search volume. And there is a few other ones. Okay, you got this one. This is a free one right here. This the middle one here. And the creator of the software said that this is a algorithm that he found online. So, and it's an estimate. So it's probably not exactly accurate, but it can give you an ideal of somewhat how much this keyword volume is. So just keep that in mind when you're using this one, the middle one. And then you have the keywords everywhere. And so if you are familiar with keywords everywhere, you know that you're gonna have a API, so you can get this data. Let me show you how that you can get the data from the keywords everywhere. Once you come over here to the settings, you click over here, and then you can put in your keywords everywhere API key right here, and so that you can get that search volume data for your keywords. Okay. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down. Look at all these different keywords that it has came up with in just a few seconds here, guys. I mean, if I was had a tire repair shop and I need to start getting more customers inside of my business, I can just come over here and just look at all of the problems that people are talking about with their tire repairs, and I can start writing content online and start to drive in that traffic, so they will know that my business exists, because I'm writing I'm writing about all of their problems that they're having too also. So let's just say like this one right here, can you repair tire rims? And if my repair shop can repair rims, I can write content about that. Can I repair the tire valve? So, you know, when you're writing content about this, what people are actually having problems with, this is how you're going to get people inside of your business, guys. So if you're looking for a tool that can do this for you, that can find a lot of keywords and stuff for you, then I would suggest that you take a look at Insight Analyzers, because this Insight Generator tool right here, it can come up with thousands of keywords that you probably have never even thought about. And that's not all. It also has the group generator right here. It kind of, what this does is it basically just groups up some of these keywords together. Let me show you. I'm just going to hit generate group, and I'm going to get it from the Insight Generator tool. So all those keywords I just done, that's where it's coming from. And so what they do is they just put them all together here in a group, so you can look at tire repair kits, and And then you got tire repair tire, so you can just click on that and you can just see that all these going to have repair tire inside these keywords. You can just group all these keywords together, and so you can start creating content. This makes it more easy and efficient way how you can create your content for all these keywords are grouped together. Now, while we're talking about creating content, they also have this AI generator right here where you can use like Chat GPT to generate the content for it also. So you can put in a question in here. You can put in the keyword phrase, the URL link, or a YouTube link, and it can start generating content for you. So you can use over here GPT Turbo, that's 3.5. You can use GPT-4. You can use GPT-4 Turbo, and you can also have the tone of voice that you want. And you got the conversational styles right here. You can adjust these as needed over here. Now, when I come back over here to the settings, this is where you can put in your API for OpenAI. You can put your key right in there. And as you see, you can use Gemini. You can use Bing Copilot as well. And this is where you can create your content from the questions and stuff that you're getting from the insight generator, guys. So if you like this type of information, guys, make sure that you can like this video, and I'm going to leave a link in the bottom there where you can come check this out. So if you need more keywords for your business, then check out Insight Analyzer, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.